Sino ba ang Pinoy boxer na ito? Binasag ang mukha eh. Tingnan nyo. Ang ginawa niya sa kalaban dito, pinaulanan ng suntok. Oo, buti itinigil. Kung hindi, nako, baka sa ospital na nga ang gising ng kalaban nito. Huwag nyo itong baliwalain mga idol dahil bagong laban ito ng ating pambato. Introducing the Pinoy boxer Sim Japit Inano. Marahil ay hindi pa ito kilala, subalit ngayon ay unti-unti nang gumagawa ng ingay sa larangan ng boxing. Walang takot nga ito ang ating pambato dahil dumayo pa nga ito mismo sa balwarte ng kalaban sa bansang Australia. Magkakalaban niya dito ang Australian boxer na si Tyler Blizzard. May boxing records nga ito na 10 panalo, 4 na panalo sa pamamagitan ng KO at 1 talo lamang, habang ang ating pambato ay may boxing records na 8 panalo, 3 panalo sa pamamagitan ng KO at 2 talo lamang. Heto na, panoorin natin ang mainit-init pa nilang laban. So ito na mga idol, first round. So panoorin natin kung ano ang ginawa ng Pinoy dito. Paano niya na-knock-out yung kalaban niya. Ang Pinoy boxer dyan mga idol ay itong naka-itim na gloves, habang itong Australian boxer ay nakapula ang gloves mga idol. So dito tayo sa first round. Naku, malakas din sumuntok tong kalaban ng Pinoy boxer.
Done a lot of work. There's always been a fight talked about with Vegas Larfield. Loves to see that as well.
Yeah, there's some great fights out there for him.
Hirap patamaan itong Australian boxer mga idol. Malikot talaga.
Picking his shots beautifully here. He's got to be very good.
Ayan na, hindi na nakatiis si kababayan. Hinabol niya yung Australian boxer mga idol. Uy, ayan na, pinaulan na ng suntok. Matibay ditong kalaban ng ating pambato mga idol, hindi bumagsak.
Moving his feet to the ground and driving those shots in. The question is how much
Maybe we need more to go.
Heavy hand. Get through the next 15 seconds. He'll have a chance to open the lungs up, reassess, and look back at this. He's up to the challenge here.
Ayun, natamaan si kabayan ng body shot oh.
Blizzard now onto the front foot for the first time. Oh, great left hook from Blizzard in between punches.
And he needs to keep doing that. The more he does that, the less likely Anon's going to keep throwing these shots. The more he can put him off. Ooh, good shot there from Anon.
Yeah, beautiful. Good two right-hand exchange from both of them as well. This has started to catch fire. It's a great fight. Blizzard. Anon happy to fire back. All that body shots on jab. He needs to use that a bit more.
Yeah, he has to take these moments when they're there.
But you're right, it's taking a toll. He's already blowing heavy as Blizzard. Front foot here now, Ben Sala.
Yeah, he's boxing nicely towards the end of this round. He's got great footwork.
Yun, gumanti ng ating kababayan dito mga idolo. Grabe ang tibay nitong kalaban niya mga idolo. Pinagpag lang yung suntok ng ating pambato.
You know, he's sitting down and shelling up there, leaning into his feet. Anon has some bricks for hands. Blizzard's just got to stick to that game plan. He's got to fire back now, earn some respect.
Yeah, he's not going to outgun this guy. He's got to out-IQ it, out-think it.
And a puncher like this, you cannot be going back on the train tracks. You've got to cut an angle. You've got to try and smother that. Heavy hands from Anon. The right and the left got through there.
Good shot from Blizzard though, that. The right uppercut followed by the left hook.
It is indeed.
Matibay din itong ating kababayan mga idolo. Natamaan sa panga pero katayo pa rin. Ito yung magandang panoorin no. Sabayan talaga sa ibabaw ng ring. Walang yakapan at takbuhan. Matibay talaga ito mga idol na laban. Abangan yung mga idol kung paano niya i-knock out yung kalaban niya mamaya mga idol.
Disappearing from Anano's punches there. It's the first time I've seen him just touch it, but I don't think it's to set something up. I think there might be a little bit of fatigue there.
I sense, I think he's senses are right on the money. But he still has stopping power.
Oh, absolutely.
He really does.
He's going to be a threat the whole way through the fight.
Yeah.
But they're not punches and bunches with the same power as they were in the first few rounds.
And respect to Blizzard for wanting to test himself too after a fight like that. You know, this isn't an opponent.
Now for Blizzard, and he's starting to exploit them. He's catching and countering beautifully here.
You're right, the gloves are starting to come down a little bit, but wonder what the judges are seeing. Oh, good shot from Blizzard. Left comes over the top. Because the hands are coming down on and on a little bit.
I feel like this body shot's there for Blizzard as well on the counter. He catches and folds him on the center. And that left hook, he's consistently landing that. He just
Loves that fully stop. Too much.
Parang unti-unti nang nayanig yung kalaban niya dito mga idol. Umiiwas na sa ating kababayan.
ribs.
This is only an
Blizzard's ribs.
This fight is scheduled for 8 rounds.
Yeah, he cannot shell up like that. He's got to cut angles. He's got to punch between punches. He's got to fire something back.
Tie him up. Do what you need to do to get through.
Oh, big shots from Anon.
Ganito dapat dumayo ang Pinoy boxer, hindi matatakot makipagsabayan sa kalaban.
Bypass around the world. We hope you're enjoying the telecast. Rob Shot, Ben Saber in commentary. Tyler Blizzard with Sam Anon in the black trunks with nothing but bad intentions in both hands.
This is where Blizzard's got to go then when Nana's taking the breather. This is when Blizzard's got to let them big combinations go again. I said fire now, this is his moment.
He needs to earn some inches back. Better from Blizzard. Starting to work now.
Ayun, natamaan ang ating kababayan ng sulit na uppercut. Pero lalong tumatapang itong ating kababayan mga idol. Napansin ko dito mga idol, parang kulang sa power punches yung kababayan natin ito. Hindi mapabagsak niya dito ang kanyang kalaban. Pero okay lang yan mga idol kasi baguhan pa ang Pinoy boxer na ito.
Nano's not going to get too many invites back again.
No, he's definitely not.
Not many people going to be queuing up to fight this guy.
Not at all.
Yeah, it's a who knows what's going on in there at the
It's on a
moment.
knife edge, isn't
Yeah,
it? It could go either way.
Is Blizzard going to break? Is Nano going to gas himself?
Blizzard just needs a little bit more belief. Three cuts, loving it.
Oh, good choice
Good
again.
stuff. That's better. Yes, Tyler Blizzard. Welcome back to the round. Easy round management. First 4 rounds, waiting for the opportunity, not creating.
Parang naubusan na ng hangin itong kalaban niya dito mga idol.
That's what we want to see. Is he believing in himself? This is a mental battle as much as it is a physical for Blizzard.
See the jab there. When he lets the jab go, these little shots there, it just collect the points. You're not going to outpunch this guy. Keep scoring clear shots and then spoil
This is how he does it. But then you can't wait against standing in front of him. He has to move. He has to use an angle. He's there to be hit at the moment, Blizzard. And against a puncher, that's not the right move.
Shot there though. Combination there, but then he shouldn't be there for the counter.
He should not be.
Land that time up or land that move.
Can't let him get behind that elbow. Split an angle off.
Yeah.
Get him off balance. It's this now. In the last minute, he starts to slow. But he's got to let his hands go. That's better stuff. Nothing got through there.
Blizzard left and right. Probably.
Grabe, ang ganda ng stamina ng Pinoy boxer dito mga idol. Hindi napapagod sa buong laban.
He can't punch with the puncher, but he's got to go 3 rounds.
Yeah. Good shot.
He's allowing Anon to walk straight into that thigh fight. He should tee off on something heavy.
And obviously it's easy for us to say from out here, but when you've taken that many body shots, he's digging deep here.
6, 7, and 8 to come.
Around
That's better from
That's
Blizzard.
yeah.
This is what we need to see. Footwork. Don't be there. It's hit and not hit. Not hit and stand there and allow him to tee off. Good shot.
Fires his left straight
Naku, hindi na makasuntok itong Australian boxer mga idol.
Still, he needs to fire back. It can be very one-way traffic for the first 2 minutes of each round. Blizzard really needs to turn the judges around on this fight.
The sink over his eye now. I don't know if that will be hindering him at all just yet, but it's definitely starting to swell up.
Because he should be plenty marked up on a fight with an opponent like this.
Now,
Yeah, he just allows him to do whatever he wants. He's got to get into this fight his fight.
Dito ang Australiano.
Little mental reset after that slip.
yeah, both folks is just left on the spot. I don't know if there's a bit of war on the canvas.
Bumabato pa rin ang suntok.
A lot of sweat coming off.
Mga ating kabayan.
Shot there from Carlo.
Crowd still voting on this one. They want to see something come back. No, it's the first one we've seen him.
To be fair, that's probably beneficial.
Wala na, hiningal na talaga ng husto itong Australian boxer mga idol.
You can hear those body shots. Jesus, he's got some serious power. Fight his fight.
Ayan, dito na nagsimula. Pinaulan na ng suntok yung Australian boxer mga idol. Wala na, hindi na makasuntok. Puro cover lang ginawa nitong Australian boxer mga idol.
Tapusin ang laban.
Uy, nasib by the bell pa yung kalaban nito mga idol.
Absolutely. At this point now, the last couple of rounds have really swung it in his favour.
Ito na mga idol, hiyawa na ang mga tao. Parang tatapusin na ata ng Pinoy boxer itong kalaban niya. Uy, ang lakas na suntok niyon. Ayan na, tinigil na ng referee itong laban mga idol. Nalo po ang ating kababayan. Knockout po ang inabot ng kalaban. Grabe ang istamina ng ating kababayan nito mga idol. Walang kapaguran. Ang sipag sumuntok.
Has to be said that Nano is a special fighter. He is a special
Good
fighter.
fight.